Yeah.
What are you doing in there?
Who's this?
This is Detective Sergeant Eugene Moretti, that's all. We got you completely by the balls. You don't believe me? I'm looking you right in the eye. Right now I can see it.
Who is it? Cops.
You come to the front door with hands forward.
Hang it up.